Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. And today's lecture, we are going to discuss intermolecular forces. My dear student, these forces are extremely important because they explain why some substances exist is gases, some is liquids, and some is solids at room temperature. They also explain properties like boiling points, melting points, solubility, and viscosity. Let's start step by step. Now, definition of intermolecular forces. My dear student, intermolecular forces are weak attractive forces that exist between molecules. My dear student, they are weaker than covalent, ionic, or metallic bonds, which exist within molecules or between ions. My dear student, these forces control the physical state and many physical properties of substance. Now, types of intermolecular forces. The first one is dipole-dipole interaction. My dear student, dipole-dipole interaction occur between polar molecules. A positive end of one polar molecule attract the negative end of another polar molecule. Example, HCl. My dear student, an HCl, the hydrogen atom carries partial positive charge and chlorine carries partial negative charge. These ends attract between different molecules. Now, the second one is hydrogen bonding. My dear student, a special strong type of dipole-dipole force. It occurs when hydrogen is covalently bonded with highly electronegative atoms like nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. The hydrogen atom becomes strongly partial positive and is attracted to lone pairs of electrons on another electronegative atom. Examples: water H2O, extensive hydrogen bonding, explain high boiling points, ammonia NH3 and HF. Now, the third one is London dispersion forces or van der Waal forces. My student are present in all molecules, polar and nonpolar. My student are caused by temporary dipoles when electron clouds shift for a moment. They are very weak but become stronger in large molecules with more electrons. Example: noble gases like argon, nonpolar molecules like I2, iodine molecules, and CH4 methane. Now, relative strength of intermolecular forces. Next, during hydrogen bonding have greater strength than dipole-dipole interaction. Dipole-dipole have greater than London dispersion forces. Now, importance of intermolecular forces. My dear student, are explain boiling points. Substances with strong intermolecular forces have high boiling points. Example, H2O. And explain melting points and physical states. Weak forces and gases like L2 and 2, and stronger forces liquid or solid. Explain solubility. Polar solutes dissolve in polar solvent due to dipole and frictions. So, my dear student, intermolecular forces may be weaker than covalent or ionic bonds, but they play a vital role in determining the properties of matter around us in gases, liquids, and solid. The difference in physical state is mostly due to the strength of these forces. So, this is all about today's lecture on intermolecular forces. I hope you understand. My dear student, if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends and comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.